Good morning, vlog community. It is 1:10 to make breakfast. All of the things I keep living inside of me, I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see. It is my day off for the week, my second day off in the week. I don't have my next day off until Saturday, which I'm excited for because I never get off on a Saturday. Today, I'm gonna record video is somewhere right here. I should be expecting a package. I ordered the Air Force 530s. I'm actually really excited because I don't really order shoes. So I'm actually really excited for these. They're supposed to come in today. Actually, this should be like in my town now. I'm using these just for the gym, which I haven't gone to in a while, but I'm actually gonna start going back probably this week. So I also need to get some socks because I only have no-show socks, so I need like actual gym socks. I always go to the gym like every other day, but then like everything else, life got in the way, so I haven't really got a chance to go back. So we might start next week. It's just been a whole minute. So I actually have my gym bag. It's like right here. You know, just been sitting. I have this that goes on the bar. I have my Dior bag. I have my. I don't even know I use my AirPods. I do the Alani pre-workout. I haven't tried it yet because I bought it when I was actually getting into the gym. That down here, I'll have to get that later. Okay. This is crazy. I usually eat breakfast during the week because I work early mornings, or when I am working late, I just spend the time just getting extra sleep. I am finally off work, I think. It's been a heck of a long day. I am just so ready to go home and eat my leftover Chipotle from yesterday's dinner. It was a pretty productive day. Not gonna complain. I didn't vlog yesterday. Nothing really happened yesterday. I wasn't feeling good yesterday. My stomach, I was having like severe stomach pains. So I ordered some Chipotle for dinner last night. I kind of been obsessed, but not obsessed to the point where I'm branching out to like different bowls. I definitely have to do more planning for the trip I have coming up in August to Florida, to St. Augustine. So I haven't really done a whole bunch of planning. It's not just me planning too, it's my boyfriend. So there are definitely some cute cafes I want to try. We've already picked out we haven't really finalized anything yet, so just like paying for the hotel and reservation, that kind of stuff. We figured out what hotel we wanted to stay at. I was leaning more towards the local. It's like a boutique motel. I thought it was super cute. It just wasn't going to work for us for how long we were staying and what we were planning on doing. That's not what we chose to do, but it is something I definitely want to try in the future if I ever go back. This is my first time going to St. Augustine, Florida. I think this is my first time going to Florida, period. I can't remember where I've ever been to Florida. I'm excited. I really need the week vacation, especially from work. Work is work. I'm not really gonna complain about it. I'm gonna just go home. It is super hot. Maryland has experienced a different kind of heat than I'm used to around here. I think we're experiencing some serious heat wave. It rained yesterday. It was cool down during the night last night, but then it came right back to, it's been like super hot. Because I've been trying to go outside and like walk my dog. We have a backyard, so if he can't walk, it's fine. The concrete is so hot. I am not taking him for a walk. And I am not going outside in that heat either. Like, I've been gulping down my water. And I have to get a bigger jug because I'm working with, I have just the regular Stanley cup. I have the 30 ounce and I think the 40 ounce too. And that still doesn't cover what I drink from what I consume a day. I'm gonna have to be on the market from there. I think they have bigger Stanleys. But I actually want to try Simply Modern. I've seen it around. It looks cute. Apparently it's supposed to be better than Stanley. We'll have to see. So if I do get the Simply Modern, I would want to get the pink one. Even though pink's not my top favorite color, but it is a cute color I enjoy using. This morning I was so tired. I literally thought until 10:30. I went to work at 6:55. From that point to 10:30, I literally thought today was Friday. I literally thought tomorrow was Saturday. Because I'm off Saturday, I was like, I gotta get through today, and then I'd be off Saturday. No. Today's Thursday. Why did I not know today was Thursday? I'm just gonna drive home, rest of the way here, and I will catch up with y'all in the next clip.
That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid.
Good morning. I did not just wake up. I've been up, I think, since 9. I was just relaxing in bed from Saturday. Saturday, June 29th, I have off today. It is 10:17. We are about to go get ready to play some tennis with my sister and her boyfriend. I'm just gonna go try that just to get out the house, get some exercise. I used to wear my New Balance 530s that I got in the mail Tuesday, or last Tuesday, I think. I haven't been wearing them out yet because I've been looking to wear them with socks, and I've been out of socks to wear them with. There should be an excuse for me to wear them today. Let me go. I haven't played tennis in a minute, so we're just gonna get ready for that. Let's get ready to play some tennis. Not going outside, but not really. So we're gonna get ready, and I don't know if I want to eat before I go. I might just eat after, but we'll see.
I've been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. It's best I put my heart on my I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on nice, Walking the cell with Lil Joaquin, I slapped him, my head told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that put over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been locked, backstabbed, and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I find a piece of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can get these feelings. Maybe that'll take this pain away, clear up all these rainy days. I've been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. It's best I put my heart on my
Thank you. It is later, way later in the day. It is 9:30. Just got back from the grocery store. Just left tennis. I think we were there for like 3 hours. It was a time. It wasn't very good. So, but apparently, unfortunately, my sister is in the shower, so I can't get in yet. So I'm just gonna make dinner. When they come out, I'm gonna be ready, and then by the time I finish dinner, I can go in the shower and I can go crash and finish editing. We didn't leave for tennis until 7:30. In the time for when we got back from going to the grocery store for breakfast, I was doing a lot of editing. Before editing was like an hour, and then I trimmed it down to like 45 minutes, probably even a little bit more. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the grocery store. I went to Harris Teeter because everywhere else is closed. We're closed around here around like 9:30. I'm making Alfredo, chicken Alfredo. So I got the Perdue grilled chicken. Yeah, got 2 packs of those. Okay. Got some penne. Have anything without the Alfredo. So quick and easy dinner. We had a big dinner last night. My mom cooked. We had a big breakfast this morning. This is my night for dinner, so you guys get to cook with me. Much needed. grill it. Sorry, grill. I can throw it in
Yeah, you
the
can
pot.
store it.
Tomorrow I am working 8 to 7:55, I think. But I am off Monday. But I have something going on Monday. Well, early in the morning. Somebody's gonna, come by, look at a few things, and head on out. Doggies are gonna be at the dog park, so they're not bothering anybody. Little sister is actually coming tomorrow. Do my sister's hair. I can't do hair. Sister, she's braiding my sister's hair. She's the one who braids my hair. So basically like a step, so.
That's not true.
Got
I'm used to cooking hot.
Oh, you gotta put some salt.
Some sour.
Excuse me, excuse me. No one ever can. I've been with Twitch for a plus. It is 11:19. Just got out the shower. We made dinner. That's all done. I'm ready to just relax. I'm gonna incorporate what I was able to get in today's vlog and edit that for the rest of the night. Hopefully it's not too late, but luckily I don't go into work tomorrow till later in the day. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog for today. I will see you guys in the next week's vlog. I hope this vlog was much better than the previous ones. I feel much better because there are some things that I learned and have input in the vlog. I'm just excited to see how that's going to turn out. Thank you for watching if you made it thus far. So I'll see you guys in next week's vlog. Bye!